Hi, I'm Chiara, and I am the owner of Figurella Newton and Figurella, Massachusetts. We provide women with not just fitness, health, and physical health, but emotional health, environmental health. We have the chance to really talk to people and with our words and our action, make a difference for them. In my family, my mom was an entrepreneur. I've always loved being with people and achieving new goals. I found myself working for a company that combined all the things that I loved, which is fitness, being with women, helping women. Thanks to Smartify and Samsung and their amazing technology, we're not able to just showcase ourselves, but also the community. We show the results that we allow our clients to achieve, and we really connect with this amazing technology. People are able to capture a little bit more of what we do. That shows two different sides of the business, to the clients that are already in and to the prospective clients that are outside. We aim at being a boutique experience and something that provides women with finally what they've been looking for. We're ready to continue and ready to keep growing Figurella because it's just an amazing product, an amazing service, and there's nothing like it.